Imagine a quick, trusted fix when a filling or cap has felt loose right there at home. Dentec Temperin Max brings dentist quality temporary filling material that sets in minutes with no mixing required and an easy applicator for precise coverage. This twin pack offers 24 plus repairs, perfect for travel or unscheduled moments when you need reliable seal until your next dental visit. You've got the purchase link in the description and the comment. Meet the Plaque Remover Kit, crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel for durability you can trust. This precision set includes a dentist mirror, a double-sided scaler, and tooth scraper designed to tackle plaque where brushing and flossing alone fall short. With an easy grip and anti-slip handles, it delivers sharper, more controlled cleaning at home or in professional setting. Ready for travel and simple to disinfect. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into a brighter smile with the Hockin Plaque Remover Kit, a 4-piece stainless steel set that helps you pinpoint those stubborn spots your daily brushing might miss. Designed for ease and safety, each tool comes with a silicone cover and can be disinfected in hot water, perfect for family use. This complete dental care kit supports thorough cleaning from plaque removal to gentle maintenance, trusted by people across the United Kingdom and Europe. Got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Imagine a cleaner mouth and fresher breath with the Oravix Tonsil Stone Remover Kit. This 3-piece set, including stone remover, curved tip irrigator, and tongue scraper, tackles stones at source and helps prevent their return, working with or without water mouthwash. Easy to follow instructions mean you can use it confidently at home, day by day. To curb bad breath and tonsillitis symptoms, you've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. When a filling or cap gives way, Dentec's Home Temporary Dental Repair Kit is your instant rescue. This maximum strength repair filling uses the same material dentists rely on, with eugenol to help disinfect the area and no mixing required. Just apply it with the included applicator for snug seal. It even comes with Tooth Saver vial to keep lost tooth in liquid or milk until you can see dentist. You've got the purchase link in the description, pinned comment. Step into a brighter smile with our 3-piece tartar remover kit, crafted from premium, non-toxic materials in a sleek matte finish. It gently clears plaque, tartar and stubborn stains from coffee, tea and smoke, reaching every corner with ease. Lightweight and travel-friendly, this versatile set works on real or false teeth, helping you prevent gum issues while brightening your bite. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Discover a brighter smile with this electric tooth polisher, a 5-mode cleaning marvel that banishes coffee and cigarette stains while guarding against future buildup. 5 interchangeable heads tackle staining, polishing, and residue, all with a soft, whisper-quiet motor and a handy LED light for those hard-to-see corners. USB-C recharge powers long sessions, and X6 waterproofing keeps cleaning simple. You've got the purchase link in the description, pinned comment.